Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to set up your digital ID with MyID. Setting up your digital ID with MyID is simple and secure. First, ensure your device is compatible and you have a personal email, your full legal name, date of birth, and for higher security levels, government-issued ID documents like a passport or driver's license. Download the MyID app from the Apple Store or Google Play and open it. Enter your phone number, personal email, create a password, and input your full name and date of birth, making sure it matches your official documents. For stronger verification, submit a selfie along with your ID documents as required, follow the prompts to verify your information, and once complete, your digital ID will be fully set up, giving you secure access to supported online services quickly and efficiently. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.